Hello friends, good day. Let us start with the modules and class modules in Visual Basic 6 environment. So let us first discuss modules. Click on project, adding modules. Okay, what basically modules are? Modules are like the functions in C and C++. In any structured or object-oriented programming, as we take functions, so we here take module. Module may be containing a subroutine and may be containing a function. Subroutine, you know, that do not return any value, and function is returning the value. Okay, first of all, let us create a subroutine. Here public means it can be accessed anywhere. Sub and name of this like message. Okay, then it will be ended, and I can say here message box to display any message here. My message go here. Okay, now this module can be used anywhere in our application. Let us use this. Here I make a button, make another button for further use. Do not create an array. Okay, so I just give a caption to this, okay, sub calling, and this is for function calling. Okay, so if I do a coding here and I call that function message, that will be called that I have just created like this way. Okay, my message go here. So this will be a subroutine making in a module. Let us make a function further. Here we go with another addition of module. Add module, open. Now this time we will be making a module that is containing function. So for function I will be doing the same thing like public. This time I will be writing function here, and then sum, then it will be taking two values by val, a as integer, and the same way by val means by value, b as integer. Okay, so further we say it returns an integer value. Okay, there is some error in this. By value a as integer, b as integer. Let me see what is this. Okay, so let us not take it by value. So a as integer, b as integer. So if I have to return a value that is a plus b, so I'll be writing it like this way. Sum is a plus b. It will be returning a value. And now on this click, let us call this in the message box directly, message box, and here I can write sum of these two values, 10 and 20. You can also write it like this way. If we say in this dim I as integer, then I will be equal to sum of what, whatever, 30, 40, right? And then we can display it by the message box. Okay, I, or we can call it directly by using the statement message box sum this. So let us just play this function calling. Okay, here is the answer for the first statement, that I is containing sum of this and this, and this is for the second statement calling. So this is the function module. Now let us continue with the class module this time. So class is what? Class is making a variable of our own kind. So I'll be taking this in our example, making class module. Okay, so I'm making a third button here, that is for the class. Okay, I'll be copying this, I'll be pasting this. Okay, I don't want to make an array, so class method calling this time. Okay, so here we go with the addition of an extra class module this time, not module but class module at this time. So I'll be choosing a class module here, and in this class module what I have to do, suppose in C and C++ when we make our own classes, then this is the same way we make classes here. Okay, so it will be public. I'll be defining properties of this class, I mean data types, data members of this class, public. Let us name this class as student. So I can just make the changes into this, and name will be student, student, student. Okay, so this student class will be first taking name as string. Okay, first variable, public, marks as integer. Okay, second variable, and then I'll be showing a function here, public public sub get data, or public sub get data. This will be, I'm sorry, public sub get data. So I'll be saying name equals what, Raja, whatever, and marks equals 73. Okay, and on the next time I can further make any method to display any message. Public sub message is the subroutine that let us displays this will be display any message box. My message will go here, so let us continue making a call to this. So let us open our form, and on this form I'll be clicking this, my third command button. Now at this time I'll be making an object of this class student. So dim Raju, let Raju is the name of student, or XYZ as new student. That class I have defined. So XYZ dot, there are these values available for calling. So marks I can give here, and get data, let us call get data first, and then XYZ dot message secondly. So here I am defining a variable of type student, and then I am calling the one out of two methods, get data and message here. Okay, now let us play this and see my method calling. Okay, my message go here. So this time a student's message is called, message function is called. So this is the class module. All the best. If you have any query, you can mail me at satyawan, satyawan .mca at piet.co.in. This is my college. Or you can mail me at satyawan.piet at gmail.com. For further queries, you can call me on these two links. Okay, have a nice day and stay connected. If you have any further query in VB or you want any topic to be recorded for you, you can get it from me. Okay, take care. Bye bye.